Hello everyone, welcome to Tuteetute. In this session, we will see the syllabus of electrical engineering and similarly electronics engineering and how to prepare for GATE exam 2023. Okay, so let's see the syllabus first. Okay, so what is the syllabus? If you take the electrical engineering, so total this many subjects will be there. Okay, so and if you take the electronics, so these subjects will be there. And what is the similarity between electrical and electronics means there are similar subjects you see from here to here. Okay, so coming from the mathematics, quantitative aptitude, circuits. Okay, so for electronics it will be networks, but syllabus will be the same only. Okay, control systems, signals and systems, analog electronics, digital electronics. Okay, and not only common subjects these are. Okay, so whether you are from electrical background or electronics background, okay, so these are the common subjects you will be preparing. So why these common subjects are important means, so the major portion of our marks will be depends upon these things only. Okay, just observe how much marks they are giving. So from the electrical circuits, control systems, signals and systems, from these only you will get around 30 marks. Okay, so 30 marks means it is not less number. Okay, so with 30 marks you can directly get the qualification. Okay, so not only from electrical, even from the electronics also. Okay, analog and digital electronics. Okay, for the electrical branch it will carry around 10 to 15 marks. Okay, so minimum of 10 and maximum of 15. For electronics, okay, so it will carry total of, okay, so 12 to 16 or 17 marks. Okay, minimum of 12, these two subjects. Okay, analog electronics plus digital electronics. And the electrical they will be having so EMF, and electronics will be having EMTL. Okay, so almost same will be there for the syllabus. Half of the syllabus will be same for the electrical and electronics. Okay, and coming to the core part. Okay, so what are the core part for the electronics? Communications and EDC. Okay, similarly for the electrical branch, okay, so core part will be power systems, machines, measurements and power electronics. Okay, so remaining all the portions, all the remaining marks will be coming from this. Okay, and remember one thing, the mathematics part. Okay, so mathematics part is so important because so mathematics plus quantitative aptitude will carry total of 30 marks both for electrical, electronics or any branch. Okay, so it is the common one. So total you will get around 30 marks from this one, or little bit 1 or 2 marks, so more also it may be possible. Okay, so you can see one thing, so if you see the syllabus, okay, first you need to prepare these subjects. Okay, so first you have to complete these subjects, and daily you have to complete this mathematics and quantitative aptitude. Okay, so then you will able to get more than 60 marks definitely. Okay, and definitely you have to prepare these subjects also. So these are the core subjects. So first you complete these subjects, then you coming to these subjects. Okay, so let's see the pattern of the exam and all these. Okay, so total we have 65 questions in GATE exam. Okay, in 65 questions, 30 questions are 1 mark questions and 35 questions are 2 marks questions. Okay, so remember there will be negative marking also. Okay, so 30 questions and these 35 questions. In all these there are 3 types of questions. One is multiple choice questions. Okay, so multiple choice questions you will be knowing easily. Okay, so 4 options will be there. From those 4 options you have to choose only one option. Okay, so second type is numerical answer type questions. Okay, so numerical answer type question, so there will be fill in the blank. Okay, fill in the blank, that will be only numerical type of question. Okay, so you have to fill the blank correctly. Okay, and third type of questions are multiple select questions. Okay, multiple select questions. Okay, multiple select questions means in the given 4 options there may be more than one option correct, so we have to choose 2 options or 3 options or 4 options also if possible. Okay, so if only one option is correct in the remaining, so you can choose only one option. Otherwise how many answers are correct, how many options are correct in that one, all the things we have to select. Okay, so anyway, in detail you will be knowing about these things in a different video. Okay, and what is the qualification if you take electrical or electronics? Almost. Okay, so the qualification mark for the OC candidates it will be so 30 marks around. Okay, so if the question paper is little bit easier it will go to 32 or 33. If the question paper is a little bit difficult, okay, so it will go to 25 to 27 around it will come. Okay, so remember you have to get at least 30 marks to get the qualification. Okay, so but why we are writing the GATE? So in order to get into IITs, okay, in order to get into IITs or NITs, or we want to get into the PSUs. Okay, so that is the main aim, right? Okay, so to get into these things, okay, so what you have to do is you have to get a rank below 1000 definitely. Okay, so less than 1000 you have to get. Okay, so less than 1000 means how many marks you have to get means that depends on the question paper. Okay, so sometimes for a 55 marks only in the ECE last year, okay, like 2022, you got for the 55 marks only you got the selection for the interviews in PSUs. Okay, so or you can write some other exams also based on GATE exam. Okay, so that means some years it will be 55 to 60 marks, some years it will goes to 65. Okay, so remember something, you have to get between 55 to 65 marks to get into, so this below 1000 rank. Okay, so and if you try for 70 marks it will be more better. Okay, so we have to plan according to that. Okay, so in a different video we will see about all these, so subject wise how many questions they are giving, how much marks they are giving. Okay, so about what our Tuteetute means. Okay, see, Tuteetute, we provide online coaching all over India. So for the GATE and all other competitive exams also. Okay, so what is our specialty means, we will provide the high quality video classes. Okay, so all, however you are seeing the video now, okay, so it is the high quality video, the same type. Okay, so you will be seeing all the classes in high quality videos only. Okay, and all our lecturers, okay, so they are not only experienced, okay, so they have completed their MTech and PhDs from the NITs or IITs. Okay, so they are all experienced and they are already qualified for so many exams, and they have been working in so many organizations all over India. Okay, so and see one more thing. Okay, for each and every subject we are providing all the questions discussion. Okay, so previous year question discussion, because previous years is the only questions. Okay, so you can get the standard of the questions, so that's why we will provide all the previous year questions in the video only with the explanations. We will give all these. Okay, so and remember, so whenever you are preparing online means there will be some doubts we will be getting. Okay, it's not like you will get in a first time. Okay, so if you get some doubt about any question and all, immediately you can ask us. Okay, so and we will be clearing through the simultaneous doubt clearing sessions. Okay, and there is no watching limit. If you want to prepare for communication, so after 10 days you want to watch some video again, okay, you can watch, there is no watching limit. Okay, these are all our features in Tuteetute. Okay, so try to join as soon as possible, because GATE exam is not a simple one. Okay, so you have to spend at least 6 to 8 months completely, then only you can able to achieve, and it is the very good post you will be getting from the GATE exam or good IIT also. Okay, thank you so much. So start your preparation. Okay.